This is where we live, our home, and many of us have spent our whole life on this planet under this beautiful blanket of stars without knowing that who we are and how did we come here. But as and when our mind matured, we started studying different things. We started studying science nearly 4 centuries ago. The human civilization started to understand the principles and mysteries of nature. Humans kept studying science, and during this time we got many scientists who had a question that what is beyond that blanket of stars. Our curiosity forced us to learn about deep space. Then we got to know that we are not special. In fact, there are billions of other planets who revolve around their stars, and today we know that in our galaxy only there are millions of such stars. And this universe is full of galaxies with planets like Earth, but can we go to those stars, those another worlds very much far away from us? We have been to high skies, we have also went out of Earth. We have also kept step on Moon, and we have also been to Mars and also in deep space. So is it not possible that we can visit different star systems? It is possible, and today we are going to talk about it in this video. So hi guys, this is Vikrant and let's start today's new video. The nearest star system to our Sun, Alpha Centauri, which is nearly 4.5 light years from our Earth. This star system mainly has three stars, Alpha Centauri A, Alpha Centauri B, which is a binary star system. Alpha Centauri C, also known as Proxima Centauri, is a small red dwarf star. Proxima Centauri is nearest to Sun, which is 4.24 light years from our Earth. In August 2012, astronomers found that there is a planet near Proxima Centauri, similar like that of Earth, which is today known as Proxima B. Proxima B is present in habitable zone of its star, which means that there is abundant water on this planet, and this can be the first interstellar destination of our civilization. In year 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft completed its journey to Pluto, which took almost 9 years. This spacecraft was traveling at a speed of 84,000 kilometers per hour, which means 23 kilometers in 1 second, which is really very fast. With this, we can complete a revolution around Earth in just half an hour, and with this speed, if a spacecraft is sent to Proxima B, it will just take 54,000 years. Which means that from today's technology, we can never reach Proxima B. But this is not completely true. Our scientists are working on a spacecraft which can reach to Proxima B in just 20 years, and this is known as breakthrough Starshot. Well, this idea was born in year 1985 when scientist Robert L. Forward kept his idea about star Bisp, which is an ultra-low mass interstellar probe which will be propelled by a microwave beam. This spacecraft will have a carbon fiber sail which will be very thin, and at its center it will have a nano circuit with all the sensors. It was theorized that this spacecraft's total weight will be just 1.08 kg. These microwave beams will propel this spacecraft with a speed of 30,000 kilometers per second. This idea was really very good, but it would take nearly 40 years to reach the destination, and by this time scientists working on this program may grow old and die. So we needed something better, something faster than this, and then came the breakthrough Starshot. But before knowing this, let's first learn about what solar or light sails actually are. So light sails or solar sails are actually a type of sail propelled by the particles of light, same like that of in a boat sail. As we know, when wind hits the sails of boat, it increases the boat's speed. It is same with light sail. When light particles hit the sail, the space probe moves forward. It has got one more advantage. The weight of New Horizons spacecraft was 400 kg in space, and it was traveling with a speed of 84,000 km per hour as said earlier. This was really very fast, but not fast enough for interstellar travel. But solar sails can travel really very fast. The special thing about this is that it does not consume any fuel, which makes this spacecraft really very light. Fuels are used in ordinary spacecraft to increase the speed, which leads to more fuel tanks and the spacecraft becomes heavier. And doing interstellar travel using this spacecraft is almost impossible. Thus, Breakthrough Starshot is a really very good alternative which will use no fuel, have 4-meter long sails, and at its center there will be a nano circuit having all the sensors, cameras, antennas, batteries, and the small ship will only be the main spacecraft. Well, now you might be thinking that how will this spacecraft move forward? So like in light sails or solar cells, the probe moves with help of photon particles of light. It won't be the same with this spacecraft. The spacecraft will move forward with help of visible light lasers which will be beamed to the spacecraft using laser field on Earth, which will make the Starshot reach 20% of speed of light in just 1 hour, and it will reach to Proxima B in just 20 years. But it has a disadvantage. This spacecraft can travel really very fast, but it won't stop at its destination, which means that we will have few nanoseconds to collect the planet's data. Therefore, Russian millionaire Yuri Milner thinks of launching thousands of such nano spacecrafts instead of one, so that we can collect proper data of the planet. So now the question comes, why has the Starshot program not yet started? Well, we have successfully tested many solar cells. JAXA or Japan Exploration Agency's Icarus program and the Planetary Society's Light Sail are few examples, but Starshot are very different from solar sails. With present technology, it's not possible to make Starshots currently, but this idea is so good that many billionaires are investing in this program. Along with this, Stephen Hawking and Mark Zuckerberg have given their support in this program. And the special thing is that Breakthrough Starshot will become a reality in upcoming 20 years, which means after 50 years we will have real pictures of Proxima B, which means that we humans will see a world in another star system for first time, and possibly we will first time confirm the existence of alien life. I hope this video was interesting. If it was so, please like the video, and for more such informative stuff, don't forget to subscribe my channel Library Online.